Welcome to the virtual-led auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. In today's video, we will talk about Lesson 8, Writing Non-conformance Reports. In this video, you will learn Writing Non-conformance Reports, Definition of Non-conformance, Components of a good NCR, Do's and don'ts, examples from garment factories, activity and homework. Let's take a look at today's objectives. First, we'll understand what qualifies as a non-conformance under ISO 9001-2015. Next, you'll learn how to draft clear, objective, and actionable NCRs. And finally, we'll analyze real-world scenarios from the garment industry to help you practice your skills in writing NCRs effectively. So, what exactly is a non-conformance? A non-conformance is any deviation from the requirements of ISO 9001-2015, your company's policies and procedures, or your customer specifications. We usually categorize them into three types. Major non-conformance, a significant failure that affects product conformity or customer satisfaction. Minor non-conformance, a single incident that doesn't pose a serious risk. And observations, areas for improvement, but not necessarily violations. Let's look at the building blocks of a well-written NCR. A good NCR should include a reference to the relevant clause of the ISO standard or internal procedure, the evidence you observed during the audit, a clear description of the issue, and the impact or potential risk it poses to the organization or product quality. When writing NCRs, keep these important guidelines in mind. Do be factual, describe only what you observed. Don't be emotional or use subjective language. Avoid assigning blame to individuals. And always use simple, clear, and professional language to ensure your report is easy to understand. Let's explore a few real-world examples from garment factories. Example 1. A missing needle detection log. This is a violation under Clause 8.5.1, Control of Production. Example 2. An untrained iron man operating without being aware of the SOP. This relates to Clause 7.2, Competence. We'll use examples like these in our activity to help you practice writing NCRs with the right structure and detail. Time to put what you've learned into practice. Activity. You'll review a case study of an audit finding and write a complete NCR, making sure to include all the key components we discussed. Homework. Collect two real issues from your own factory, either from the past or currently happening. Write sample NCRs for them. Be sure to include the clause reference, a clear description, and the proposed correction. We hope this session gave you a clearer understanding of how to write effective non-conformance reports. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future lessons. See you next time in Lesson 9, Corrective Action and Preventive Action with Real Garment Industry Examples.